Hi guys, so if you see we are going to do like uh, question assignments from searching to capacity to ship packages which is Leetcode question number 1011. That's right question. So if you saw there is like one example like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. If 10 shipments are there, so in 5 days we need to ship. So it our capacity, minimum capacity, and there is 15, and there is one more condition, like it should be in order, like 1 2 3 4. We can't do like 1 2 6 7 or like 3 8 9. We can't do like this. We need to do like by order only. So this is a condition. So I am taking one example. This is our okay 1 2 4 1 1, and our days is 4. Okay. So what we are doing, if we saw in this array, maximum element is 4. So which will become our low. Okay, why it will become low? Because if we saw like the minimum capacity, so I think minimum capacity will become 4 and maximum capacity will become summation of all these elements. So if we add all these, I think it will become 9. So our high will be 9 and low will be 4. So for that, what we are doing, for low, we are just iterating through our elements, and we are function mat.max low comma weights. So our low will become like 4 and our high will become 9. High is adding all the elements, so high plus is equal to means high plus w. W is nothing but our elements, all elements. So next we are doing binary search on it. So for that I wrote one condition while low less than high, like till 4 less than 9 or low less than high. So our mid will be like 4 plus divided by 2, which is nothing but 6. Okay, if we round in this figure. So one more variable d is equal to 1 and sum is equal to 0. Okay, so d is nothing but days. We are initializing with first day. So first day, what we are doing, so after that we write one condition, but for loop. In for loop we are iterating our weights. Okay, shipment weights. So in this, in between for loop, I wrote condition I added. So this is if condition. So plus w, like our elements, if it is greater than our mid, will increment our days by 1. Okay, otherwise if it is less than sum plus weight is less than main, so it will follow this condition, like sum will weight will be added to our sum. So if we go for first one, so if you sum is our sum is 0 now, plus first element is 1, because first element is 1, so we are adding it, is equal to 1, which is less than our 6 is mid. So what will happen, it will be come to our else condition, it is passes an else condition. So in sum it will become 1. So again if we go to this loop, if loop, not if loop, like it will second element for loop, second element will come. So our sum is now 1 and our second element is 2. Okay, so it will become 3. So 3 is less than 6, so it will come to else condition. So our sum will become 3. So again it will go to for loops for third, and our sum is 3 now, and for third element it is 4. So it will become 7, which is greater than 6. Okay, if it is greater, then what will happen, our days will increase by 1. So day was 1, now it will become 2. Okay, and our this sum will come. This sum is nothing but our last element, for which the condition didn't, like it will become maximum to that mid. So our sum will become 4. Okay, now, so what will happen now, sum is now 4. If we go through it, sum is now 4. So sum is 4, and it will go to for loop again. Or not for loop again. So sum is 4 fourth element, and plus our next element is 1. Okay, so next element is, so you can see if we add this, okay, so it will become 5. So 5 is 6, it's not greater than 6, it's less than 6, less than 6. So our this sum will come into the picture in else condition. So sum will become 5, 5. Okay, so again sum is 5, next element again is 1, so it will become 6. So 6 is not less than 6, so sum will become 6 here. So our days, so again if we come to that loop, so there inside our element inside our array, so it will come out from for loop, it will come to if condition. So these become 2 now, and days is 5. High, so it will come to high is equal to mid else condition. So high will become mid, so high will become 6. So our mid will be like 4 plus low plus high is equal to 6 divided by 2. So it is 10 divided by 2, so it will become 5. Mid will become 5. Okay, so if mid become 5, so we clear this line. Again everything will come from beginning. So mid become 5. So sum is first 0. Now first element is 1 is equal to 1, which is less than 5. Less than 5. Less than 5 means it will come to else condition. So our sum will become 1. So sum is 1 now. Next element is 2. Sum is, it will become 3. 3 is less than 5. So our sum will become 3. So it is 3 sum, and next is 4. So it will become 7. 7 is greater than 5. So it will come to if condition. D will become 2, and this sum will go, and this sum will come. Sum will become 4. The last element which we added, sum will become 4. Again sum is 4 plus last element is next element is 1, so it will become 5. 5 is not greater than 5, it is equal to 5, so it will come to our this condition, sum become 5. Okay, sum become 5, so this sum will go. Sum is 5 now. Next element is 1, so it will become 6, which is greater than 5. So our day will become 3, and our day will become 3, and it will come out from loop. So our day is 3 and days is 4. Correct. So it is not making true this condition. So it will come to else condition. So high will become mid again. So mid is now 5. So high will become 5 now. So our mid will be 4 plus 5 divided by is nothing but 9 divided by 2 is like 4. Okay, 4. So mid will become 4. So if we cancel these things now, because it will come from beginning again. So now sum again is 0 plus 1 and is equal to 1, which is less than 4. 4. So sum will become 1. Sum is 1. Next element going to be 2. So 3 is less than 4. Sum is 3. So sum is 3 here. So it will become next element is 4. 7. 7 is greater than 4. So our D will become 2 because 7 is greater than 4. So if it is greater than, D will increment by 1. So and our sum will be the last element, which is 4. Sum become 4, this sum will go. Okay, sum is 4 now. Okay, so sum is 4. So if you come to here, 4, next element will be 1, it will become 5. So 5 is greater than 4. These will be increased and sum will be 1. Next element, so sum is 1 and next element is also 1. So 1 plus 1, it will be 2. So 2 is less than 4. This sum will go, and this sum will come, sum will become 2, and whenever it's going to search our for loop, it will come out from for loop because there is no element. So again our days is 3, d is 3, and days is 4, days is 4. Here we have written, so it's not satisfying this condition. It will come, it is satisfying else condition, so high will become mid. So mid was 4, so high 4. So mid will become 4 plus 4, low plus high divided by 2, which is nothing but 4. So what happened? Mid is 4. So if our low is 4 and high is 4, so what will happen? See, if 4 less than 4, it will not come to mid. Uh, First, okay, we will see low is 4, so our high become 4. So 4 is not less than 4, it will come out from our, and it will return our high. So high is what? High is here 4. Correct. So the correct answer is 4. Okay. So that's all for this question. Thanks.